Here are the top 10 biggest banks in Zimbabwe right now based on the current available numbers from June 2024. I ranked these banks using the value-weighted average score of loans, deposits and net income because that's where the real power lies in banking. And as someone with banking sector experience, I went deep into the numbers, minus the few banks whose data is still locked away internally. And yes, most of this data is available on the individual bank sites and African financials. Shout out to them. Now, let's get into it. On number 10, awarded the Financial Inclusion Award by Zim Independent, Stewart Bank. The bank reported a loan book of 541 million and deposits of 1.3 billion and a net income of 38 million. On number 9, we have the bank that was awarded the Digital Innovation Award, NMB. The bank has a total loan book of 1.09 billion, deposits of 1.15 billion and a net income of 78 million. On number 8, we have Nedbank. Nedbank has a loan book valued at 1.2 billion and deposits of 1.7 billion and a net income of 85 million. On number 7, we have First Capital Bank. First Capital has a loan book of 1.3 billion with deposits of 1.8 billion and a net income of 194 million. On number 6, we have CABS. CABS has a total loan book of 2.8 billion, deposits of 2.7 billion and net income of 73 million. On number 5, we have the bank that has got the best banker according to Zim Independent, ZB Bank. ZB has a loan book of 2.1 billion, deposits of 2.6 billion and a net income of 259 million. On number 4, we have EcoBank. EcoBank has a loan book of 3 billion, deposits of 5.8 billion and a net income of 153 million. On number 3, we have FBC with the loan book of 4.5 billion, deposits of 4 billion and a net income of 204 million. On number 2, we have the bank that was voted the best overall bank according to Zim Independent, Stanbic. Stanbic has a loan book of 4.3 billion, deposits of 8.7 billion and a net income of 374 million. And on number 1, voted the best bank in Zimbabwe by the Global Finance magazine, CBZ Bank. CBZ Bank has a loan book of 4.7 billion, deposits of 11.5 billion and a net income of 596 million. Now let me know in the comments, which bank do you use? If you'd like to vote for your best bank, I've left a link below in the comment pin. And follow for more breakdowns like this because it requires a lot of research and fact checking for your enjoyment. You're welcome.